Good morning, my lovely children. I hope you all are fine. In today's class, we are going to revise the chapter negative sentences. So children, what are negative sentences? Yes, we have already studied about it. A sentences which has no or not in it are called negative sentences. So the words like no or not are called negative words. So children, tell me, is this statement a negative one or a positive one? She cannot walk. So this statement is a positive or negative? Yes, it's a negative because in this sentence not is coming. So this statement is a negative statement. So children, a sentence which has no or not in it is called negative sentence. And we have also discussed about some of the rules of forming negative sentences. And what were they? So the first one was after the verb, after the helping verb is am, are, was, were, we add not after the helping verbs is am, are, was, were. So after all these helping verbs we add not. So children, now tell me, how can you change this statement into a negative statement? I am a teacher. So how will you change this positive statement into a negative? So here you can identify, can you find out the helping verb in a sentence? Yes, in this sentence helping verb is am. So as I have already told you about, the helping verb is am, are, was, were. We add not after it. So here the helping verb is am. So we add not after this helping verb am. So this statement will get converted into a this positive statement will get converted into a negative statement. I am a doctor will become I am not a I am a teacher will become I am not a teacher. So children, by putting not after the helping verb am, we can change this positive statement into a negative statement. So children, positive statement are also called affirmative statement or affirmative sentence. So don't get confused between affirmative and positive. They both are the same. Now, what was the rule number 2 of changing positive statement into a negative statement? So after the helping verb can put shall, should, may, might, must, and 2 more are left, will, would. We add not after all these helping verb. If any of the helping verb present in a sentence, we add not after the helping verb in a statement, in a positive statement. So children, if I say he can walk, how will you change this positive or affirmative statement into a negative statement? So can you identify the helping verb in the sentence? Yes, can is the helping verb in a sentence. So we put not after this helping verb can. So this positive statement will get converted into a negative statement by adding not after the helping verb can. So he can walk will convert it into a he cannot walk. Now this statement converted into a negative statement. So children, you just have to find out the helping verb in a sentence and then put or add not after the helping verb in a sentence. Then your sentence will get, then your positive statement or affirmative statement will get converted into a negative statement. Now come to the next one. So after the helping verb, has, have, had, we add no, or you can say we use no after the helping verb has, have, had. So children, if I say she had a coat, so in this sentence what is coming? Which helping verb is coming? Had. So after the helping verb had, we add, sorry, here I have written not. You can also add not or no, but here we are talking about only no. So we add no after the helping verb had. So she had a coat will become she had no coat. So children, after the helping verb had, we have added no to make this positive or affirmative statement into a negative statement. You just have to identify the helping verb, all these helping verb in the sentence, and then put no or not after it, and your sentence, positive sentence, will get converted into a negative sentence. Now children, come to the next one. If you do not find any helping verb in the sentence, then what will you do? Like for example, she goes to school. She goes to school. In this, what will you do? Just find out if you do not find any helping verb in the sentence, then what will you do? Just find out the action word in a sentence, and here the action word is a goes. So goes is an action verb. Then we will see the tense of this verb. What is the tense? Tense is present tense. So, and here we are using she. So what will you add? We add she does not. So children, if a sentence is of present tense and she, he, it comes in a sentence, then we add does not in such kind of a sentence. She does not go to school. So children, while converting this positive statement into a negative statement, do not forget to remove this es. So she does not go to school. So I think this is very easy. You just have to add does not in a sentence when you do not find out the helping verb in a sentence. So the next one is you go to school. So children, again no helping verb in the sentence. Now what will you do? Find out the helping verb, find out the action verb in a sentence. So action verb is go. Action verb is go. And the tense of this verb is present tense. And here you is coming. So if a sentence is having I, we, you, we add do not. We add do not plus first form of the verb or present tense. If a sentence is of present tense, we add do not. So this statement will become you do not go to school. So children, by adding do not in a sentence, we can change this positive or affirmative statement into a negative statement. Now children, the next is imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? Sentences which expresses command, order, request or advice are called imperative sentences. So here I am writing close the door. So what kind of statement is this? It's a command, okay? It's a order. So this is an imperative statement. Close the door. So here the action verb is close. So we add do not, or we can say don't, before the sentence. Before or in the beginning of the sentence we add do not or do. Okay children? So to make this statement, positive statement into a positive imperative statement into a negative statement, we add do not or don't. So we add do not close the door. Now this positive statement converted into a negative statement by adding do not before this action verb, or you can say before in the beginning of the sentence. So by adding don't or do not in the beginning of the sentence, we can change positive statement into a negative statement. So children, I hope you have understood all these rules. Thank you.